Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Jim and the music again, and I've come with a very brand new video. It's um more of you know I've come to help some producers out. Yeah, okay. So if you have this issue where you want to um you want to fit in any sample to your desired BPM, yeah, this is the right video. So I've come to help those producers out. Yes. So okay, let's say you are working on a project and the tempo, okay, let me say the tempo is 112. Okay, how is this? Okay, no, let me see 150. Okay. So this one is way off. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to find out what tempo each loop is on. Most times it is written on the sample of the name of a sample, sorry. Okay, but what if it is not written? Like this, my first loop, there's no detail, it's just named private school loop, you get. So but the other loops, see it here is written 110 bpm, 110 bpm. So you get. How are we now going to reconcile that? So this is how you do it. Now you see this button over here, just click and detect tempo. So now you have to estimate, how fast do you think the tempo is. So let me play the sample first. Okay, so I believe that it should be between a 70 and maybe 120, 150, you get. So so what I'm going to do is to click 75 to 150. Okay, now so you can see now it is detected as 112.002. That's just 112 bpm. Okay, so they will always ask you whether you would love to set the project tempo to this value. You have to say no. Okay, so you click it again, fit to tempo. So now that we know the BPM, so you just have to type in BPM. Then this is where you write the BPM, 112. Okay, so now you see I'm going to play it and cross-check it with the metronome. Okay, so now this is where you turn on the metronome. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, now for samples that have the tempo written, sometimes it might be wrong, sometimes it might be right. So just you can try both, but the best thing just to buy time. You can just rush and hope that the person who produced this sample wrote the right thing. So 110, let me play it alone. So you can see that it is way off. So let's fit into tempo. Okay, type in BPM just the same way we did it, 110. Enter. Okay, so now let's hear it with the metronome. Okay, that's done. Let's work on the last one. 110. So let's do the same thing. Fit to tempo. Type in BPM 110. Enter. Okay, so now let's play both together. Yeah, that's right. don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that I'll be able to make more of these videos. So thank you, and see you all in my next video. Catch you later.